Hi, and welcome to Yoga with Tim. This is chair yoga in paradise. Keep in mind in this class that nothing that you do should cause any pain. So if we're going into a stretch and the depth of the stretch feels like a little too much, just back off a little. Your breath will help to give you cues if you're pushing too deep. So let's start with the breath. Sit up tall where you can feel your sit bones. So when we sit, there's going to be a tendency to slouch, which is okay, but for this, we're going to focus on our posture. So adjust the flesh of your buttocks back and out to the side so you can feel your sit bones in contact on your chair. You might want to come more towards the front of your chair. With your feet right underneath you and your knees pointing forward. Let's just sit up tall and see what that feels like. Can you feel that your chest is more open now? With your head balanced up over your spine? Maybe it feels like the weight of the head off of the chest feels like you can breathe. So that's pretty nice. Breathing is important. Now with your eyes closed, let's exhale all the air out through the nose. Then breathe in through the nose. And out through the nose. One more time. 3 counts into the nose. 2, 3, and 3 counts out. Good job. Now relax. We're going to practice rolling the spine back into a rounded position. And then rolling the spine in like you're doing an arch back. Draw your shoulders back, lift your heart. Let's do that 3 times. Roll back. And roll forward. Last one, roll back. And forward. Good, now come right into the middle and twist to your right. You can bring your hand to your knee, to the armrest of your chair. As you practice the sequence more, you might be able to twist deeper. Just remember, we're not trying to crank or jam anything here. Feel that your breath is still flowing easily. Change, twist to the other side. Good, come back. Now take your right leg towards straight out in front of you. Raise your arms up. And bring your hands to your heart. Change, bend the right knee. Take the left leg. Raise your arms up. Then bring the hands to your heart. One more round. Right leg out. To your heart. Left leg. Good. Then back to the twisting. Twist to your right. Twist to your left. Now let's work on the shoulders and the neck a little bit. So bring your knuckles to your temples and tuck your chin in as you round. Draw your elbows in. Exhale. Inhale to open up. Lift your heart. Elbows back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Good, release that. Now bring your hands onto the chair close to the back of the chair. So we're getting a little stretch for the front of the shoulder. And in this position, we're going to roll the shoulders forward and back. 3 times. Nice job. Now, bring your hands forward towards the front of the chair. And if you have the confidence to lift up and out of the chair to a forward fold position, we're going to lean into the feet, press into the chair, lift the hips, just in a half forward fold, and then drop the hips back down. Feel okay on your knees and everything? If not, you can just practice leaning your weight into the feet and then sitting back. Otherwise, leaning into the feet, lift up. Lower back down. Lean into the feet, lift up. Back down. Last one, lean into the feet, lift up. And then back down. As you sit towards the edge of your chair, maybe you can lean forward and bring your elbows to your knees. And then maybe over time, as you practice this more regularly, you might be able to bring your hands down onto the ground. Or just onto your shin somewhere. Remember, don't force or push. Good job. Come back up from whichever one you're doing. Sit up tall for a moment, roll your shoulders up, back, and down, and take a deep breath in. And let it out. Just notice how good your body feels here. Maybe you feel more energized, but also calm at the same time. That's pretty cool. Those are the benefits of practicing yoga regularly. So I hope that you'll work this in at least a few times a week. Thank you so much for joining me for Chair Yoga. And if you like the video, you can hit the like button. You can subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date with future classes. And if you want to try my beginner's course, I'm going to put a link below in the description as well as the first comment. Thanks so much. See you next time.